Look at that goodness. Yeah. Alright, we got these raw sausage from local Yocal. I'll leave a sign up. This one here is beautiful. Pork, jalapeno, cheddar, cheese. If you look, you can see it all in there, and the casing is very tight, very nicely done. And as you can see, I got 2 strings around each one of them, and I put a 2 on there so I can remember which one's which, but they'll be able to, I believe. Pork ring of fire sausage. This one here looks very awesome, tight also. And this one here, the buffalo blue cheddar, buffalo blue chicken sausage. It's on the loose side, so I mean, see, I didn't want to tie anything around it, so I didn't want to pop it. This one here, tell you real fast: pork, salt, cheddar cheese, jalapenos, garlic, black pepper, and water. This one here is ground chicken legs, Frank's buffalo wing sauce, salt, blue cheese, dry milk powder, and cider vinegar. Pork ring of fire sausage has pork, salt, cheddar, jalapeno powder, habanero powder, something paprika, black pepper, garlic, cloves, ghost pepper powder. Alright, so we're going to get these cold smoked today for about 6 hours. And then we'll put them in some ice cold water as soon as I pull them off. And then tomorrow I'll throw them on the grill and we'll do a taste test on them. Yeah. We're going to a family get together. I'm going to take this right here just for a little tasty. Alright, let's get it going. Alright. Right now we're an hour and a half in, and they're looking pretty good. Alright, they're looking great. Feeling great. And of course, as you can see, I've switched them around and turned them over a couple hours in. Alright, y'all, at this point, look at those. Those are awesome. We're looking at 140. We're going to dump it in some cold ice water. So what this does, it gets it slowed down from cooking, gets it to stop, and it tightens up the outside. Prettiest. That is a freaking awesome looking one. Look at it. Stayed intact. No air in it. Get it down in there. Now these the chicken ones tightened up more than I thought they would. Look at the smoke. Alright, we'll see you on the grill tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna say all that looks awesome. Looks like a pretty good little snack to me. Yeah. Let's try these sausages out. Yeah. Alright, so we got beef ribs, look freaking awesome. 2 baby back ribs. And then right here, we got the pork jalapeno cheddar sausage. Right here, we got the buffalo blue chicken sausage. This one here is pork ring of fire sausage. This is from local Yocal, downtown McKinney, Texas. This one here is what I'm after. I'm seeking out cheesy jalapeno sausage around the area. This one is interesting. This one has the pepper ghost in it. Let's try them. We're going to start off with the pork jalapeno. No, we're going to do this one last because that's my baby. Let's take a bite of the cheddar. Woo, it's hot. See that? Whew, we're going to let it cool off. Let's do that to each one of them. Woo! I'm not like Jack's drink water. I let it cool off a little bit. Oh, they're really hot. Woo! Man. Woo! Alright. Here, that's pretty good looking, huh? Buffalo blue chicken. It's chicken, all right. Blue cheese. Pretty awesome. That's a good one. A little sip of tea. Unsweet. Now we're going with the Ring of Fire with ghost peppers in it. Lord save me. So far, that's really good. A little hot. Yeah, it's got some meat to it. Yeah, people at the party are gonna like this one. Very nice. Very nice. Now for the cheesy jalapeno sausage. Okay. I'm still feeling that one. This one's comparable to Chili's, but it's not as good as Tender Smokehouse. Maybe I just had a good batch that day. I don't know. We will be going back. And I may be meeting a couple YouTubers, and we're going to try this live at Tender Smokehouse in a few weeks. Alright, that's what we have on that. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. And Miami Dolphins in 1972 never lost a football game. Yeah, and I was there. I went to one of the games. See y'all.